Hi everybody, welcome to the EduFriends Afrikaans reading course. This is book 4 of phase 2. The title is Skoon, which in English means clean. In English we would say, I wash my hands with soap. And in Afrikaans, ek was my hande met seep. Ek was my hande met seep. I brush my teeth. Ek borsel my tande. Ek borsel my tande. I bathe. Ek bad. Ek bad. I wash my hair. Ek was my hare. Ek was my hare. I wash my feet. Ek was my voete. Ek was my voete.